BioKids.
Hello, guys! I'd like to tell you a story about a legendary train station. Now, this legendary train station exists in our body.
What? My buddy?
Yeah, your body! It's called the circulatory system. So, how are you feeling about taking a field trip with me to this train station? Put on your shoes, go get your bags, and let's go! Hey, Mr. Art! This is Mr. Art. He runs this place.
Out there, Mr. Emoji.
Hello to you two. So, Mr. Art, can you tell us more about what you do in this train station?
They call me the almighty blood pump master.
What?
Sorry about that. I pump the blood needed by the body and have the pulmonary blood vessel take it to the lungs.
Kids, here comes the pulmonary blood vessel. It collects blood from Mr. Art and takes it to the lungs to add oxygen to it. Oxygen? What's that? Oxygen is the air we breathe in. Come on. So, after he adds the oxygen to it, the blood gets oxygenated.
Oxygenated.
Cool, right? Yeah. Then the pulmonary blood vessel takes the blood back to the heart, which is then collected by come on, where is he? Oh yeah, there he is. The artery drain. Oh, what does he do? Well, the artery drain collects the oxygenated blood from the heart and takes it to the cells in your body. Wow!
What? I do a better job than he does. I mean, I pump the blood. I pump the blood.
Okay.
Well, that was awkward. The cell then uses the nutrients and oxygen in the blood. Okay. After the cell uses the oxygen, then the blood becomes deoxygenated.
Ooh, deoxygenated.
The vein train then collects the deoxygenated blood from the cell and takes it to the heart. The heart then gives it to the pulmonary blood vessel, which takes it to the lungs. The lungs add oxygen to it. The pulmonary vessel takes it to the heart. The oxygen takes it to the cell. Then the vein brings it back to the heart. And the cycle continues.